Hello everybody and welcome to a new MA Tips. This time we will have a look at the web remote in the grandMA3. With the web remote we have the possibility to control our on-PC or console software with a tablet or smartphone or a comparable device within our network. The web remote works in a web browser and is simply an additional view from the console. That means for us, the web remote is not limited and we can control and use all the functions we can use in the grandMA3 on PC or on the console directly. First of all, we have a look at our network menu. Therefore, we open the menu and we choose network over here. Of course, we have to enable our network here. What you can see here is that I use the loopback pseudo interface for my on-PC because I want to connect the on-PC with the web remote on the same computer. When you're working on the console or a dedicated on-PC computer, of course you have to choose the correct interface which is connected with the network where you want to use your web remote. What else do we have to do? We make sure that our web remote is enabled over here, so on the right side of our network menu. On the left side you can find a web remote menu where you can enable the web remote as well, where you can set a resolution limit and where you can set the connection limits. Please keep in mind that the connection limit is up to 5 for on-PCs and up to 2 web remotes for our consoles. But of course, if I want to make sure that only one web remote can connect, then I just set my connection limit to 1 here. Let's have a look at our web browser now. What I can do here is just to type in the IP address of the device I want to control, so of my on-PC or the console. Therefore, I'm using my loopback pseudo interface now, which is the 127.0.0.1, and I have to specify the port, which is done by a colon and then port 8080. Let's see how it works. You can see that now I can log in as another user. So maybe I created a remote user to use this with my web remote. So we log in and we can see that we have exactly the same screen as on the console or on the on-PC. So I have just an additional view and can use all my functionalities like the groups, for example. I can use my encoder bar directly. We can adjust positions, for example. You can see it like this. I can use something like the color picker and you can see that I can use all the parts of my console or on-PC software also directly from the web remote. I hope you like that. Try this out, stay tuned and see you next time for the MA Tips.